What if your crypto could fuel the future of AI and earn you rewards along the way? Welcome to Bittensor, a decentralized network where your DAO token doesn't just sit. It works for you. So how does it work? Simple. You can stake DAO in two ways. Gives to the root network, the secure backbone of Bittensor, or to a subnet where powerful AI modules compete and collaborate. But here's where it gets interesting. When you stake, you delegate your DAO to a validator. Think of validators as the key players in the system. They secure the network, validate transactions, and keep things running. Your stake gives them power, and in return, you get rewards. That's right. By delegating your DAO, you earn a portion of the rewards generated by the validator you support. It's passive income powered by intelligence. And guess what? No lockup period. Stake your DAO today. And if you need to, unstake it tomorrow. It's flexible. It's liquid. It's your call. Now, let's talk about subnets. Staking to a subnet can open up even more earning potential. But it comes with a trade-off. Risk. Each subnet operates independently. Some are fast-growing and stable. Others, not so much. So always do your research. Choose wisely. Here's the exciting part. When you stake to a subnet, you're not just earning, you're participating. Your stake helps determine which AI models rise to the top, who gets rewarded, and how the network evolves. You're literally shaping the intelligence layer of the future internet. It's crypto with purpose. And because the Bittensor network is constantly evolving, new subnets are launching, growing, and competing all the time. This means new opportunities and new frontiers for innovation. In a world racing toward decentralized AI, staking DAO isn't just about profit, it's about power. You're not just a holder. You're a builder, a supporter, a signaler of trust. So what are you waiting for? Stake smart. Delegate with purpose. Shape the future. This is Bittensor, where intelligence earns. Learn more and dive deeper at. Follow this link on the screen. Love where AI and crypto are heading. Then don't just watch. Be part of the movement. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. New videos drop every week. Deep dives, smart insights, and everything you need to stay ahead. Stay curious, stay connected, and let's shape the future together.